Imagine yourself stepping into a world where cultures collide, diversity thrives, and the spirit of adventure is the norm. Welcome to the Global Village Dubai, a mesmerizing spectacle of grandeur and vibrant hues, where each corner is a testament to human diversity. Here, the air is a heady cocktail of exotic aromas emanating from countless cuisines that are as varied as the people who prepare them. As you meander through the winding paths, you're serenaded by a symphony of languages, each a melodious note in this global orchestra. It's a melting pot, a veritable cornucopia of cultures, each offering a glimpse into its unique world. Whether it's the intricate artistry of South Asian handicrafts or the lively beats of Latin music, every experience here is designed to captivate your senses and transport you to a different part of the globe. The Global Village Dubai is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey that takes you around the world in just a few hours. The journey to Global Village Dubai, like the destination itself, is a part of the adventure. As you begin your trip, the anticipation builds, much like the crescendo of a symphony. The cityscape gradually changes, giving way to open roads that seem to stretch endlessly, mirroring your own eagerness to arrive. As you travel, you're wrapped in a cocoon of excitement, the outside world a blur of passing scenes. Suddenly, from the horizon, a spectacle begins to emerge. The first sight of the Global Village Dubai is a breathtaking spectacle. Dazzling lights twinkle like a sea of stars brought down to earth, illuminating the mesmerizing architecture that is quintessential Dubai. Each structure a testament to the architectural prowess the city is renowned for, hinting at the cultural melting pot that awaits within. Your heart pounds in your chest as you draw closer, the anticipation reaching a fever pitch. The lights grow brighter, the buildings more distinct, and the faint sound of music and laughter drifts towards you, carried by the warm desert breeze. This is it. You have arrived. As your vehicle slows to a stop, the reality of your arrival sinks in. The journey, as thrilling as it was, is over. But another adventure is just beginning. As you step out of your vehicle, you can already feel the vibrant energy and excitement that the Global Village Dubai has to offer. Once you step into the Global Village Dubai, you embark on an unforgettable journey of discovery. Imagine a world where you can traverse continents within a matter of minutes, where your senses are treated to a global feast of sights, sounds, and tastes. That's what awaits you here. Each pavilion at Global Village Dubai is a doorway to a different country. From the bustling streets of India to the elegant charm of France, the vibrant culture of Africa to the traditional allure of China. Each pavilion is meticulously designed to represent the country's unique architecture, culture, and traditions, making you feel as if you've been transported straight into the heart of these far-flung places. But the experience goes beyond just sightseeing. Your taste buds are in for a real treat too. The food here is as diverse as the pavilions themselves. From the spicy delicacies of India, the succulent kebabs of the Middle East, to the exotic flavors of Africa and the gourmet delights of Europe, there's a dish for every palate. Shopping, on the other hand, is a whole adventure in itself. Each pavilion is a treasure trove of unique items, from traditional handicrafts and authentic garments to exotic spices and intricate jewelry, making it a shopper's paradise. Let's not forget about the performances. The Global Village is a stage for the world, with breathtaking shows that range from traditional folk dances and music performances to acrobatics and street performances. These shows are a testament to the rich cultural diversity of our world, and for those who love a good game, there's no shortage of fun to be had. From skill games to arcade attractions, there's something for everyone, making it an exciting place for both the young and the young at heart. Every corner of the Global Village Dubai offers a new surprise, a new experience, making it a place where memories are made. A trip to Global Village Dubai is a whirlwind of emotions, experiences, and discoveries. It's a vibrant tapestry of cultures, where the world comes together in a spectacular display of unity and diversity. The highlights of the trip are as varied as the pavilions themselves: a thrilling ride, a delicious dish, a captivating performance. It's not just a visit, but a journey through different cultures and traditions. The Global Village Dubai is more than just a destination. It's a world of its own, where every visit is a new adventure, a new story to tell.